guys, let's give the Galactic Cube. You know, I keep changing my YouTube name, but, uh, today I'm gonna do a Christmas Fidget haul. Thanks to my wonderful little sister, Emily. So, yeah. Here's a stress ball. It is, like, weird, but it's fun. These spider fidget things, I don't know what they're called, actually. Yeah. Fidget spinners with poppets. And I have 4 of them, I believe. Yes. And these pop tubes, I think that's what they're called. So yeah. The red one came, the red one was like, no. And they're like these. It's weird. And these peas in a pod fidget. And yes, Jackie from NerdECrafter, I have them as well. And these things, I don't know what they're called, but they have a marble inside and you can like play with them. Here's a blue and pink. I have another one in here somewhere. And I got a green one. Yeah, don't mind my fan in the background. And a heart puppet. An infinity cube. A popsicle fidget, just like the one I have in my purse downstairs. I also got a pineapple one. I don't know how I'm doing this backwards, but okay. And there goes my cat, being a cat. A giant puppet, even though it's not big, but yes. And I also have this. No clue what it is. That's what that is. And I also got my mochis. This one's a duck. I also got fidget noodles. You can let me know what they are in the comments down below. and these fidget rings. I actually don't know what they're called, but yeah, they're a fidget ring. Don't mind my cat. He just came out of my sister's room. I don't care, bud. And this is my cat, George. Alright, hope you guys like that. Just let me know which one's your favorite fidget out of them in the comments. Alright, bye.